What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be solving the 2024 AMC 10A problem 10. So we are given the problem. Considering the following operation, if we are given a positive integer n, and if n is a multiple of 3, then we replace n by n over 3. If n isn't a multiple of 3, then we replace n by n plus 10. We continue this process. For example, if we start with n equals to 4, we get the following procedure. Now suppose we start with n equals to 100. What value would we get if we perform this operation 100 times? So let's test it out and see if we can find any patterns. Because usually when we're given large values like this, large amounts of iterations like this, we usually want to find some patterns. So we start with 100. First operation, we get 110 because 100 isn't divisible by 3. Then we get 120, which is divisible by 3. So then we get 40. And then we get that since 40 isn't divisible by 3, we get 50, and then 60, 20, 30, and then 10, 20. And then you'll notice that this pattern just keeps looping on and on, because we've already gotten to 30, which means that logically, we're just going to get to the same numbers and repeat the same processes again. Meaning that this entire process just keeps looping on and on. So now to determine where in this loop does the number 100 come from, we can test. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, meaning that when it is 1 mod 3, then we get 30, 2 mod 3 would be 10, and 3 mod 3 would be 20. So now that we know the following, we can just plug in 100 to figure out what our answer is. So 100 mod 3 is 1. So that means that our answer is 30, which is C. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.